Hello, let's take a look at this Philips E-line 226E9QDSB monitors. I bought two of the 22-inch, which I'm going to use side by side, and let's open up the boxes and see what's inside. In the box there's HDMI cable, the stand, power cord, and some stickers. And here we have the screen. Now I'm going to screw the stand into place, and there's no tools needed. Now the stand has come into place, and as we see, very small bezels on this one. That's the plastic. The cover plastic is still there. Now we have both of them assembled. Let's take a look at the connectivity. HDMI, DVI, and standard classic VGA, and there's also HDMI audio out. So everything is connected. Let's see if it works. The only thing I have to complain about is this power cord. The cable to the transformator is not very long, so it doesn't reach the ground, but let's try it out. The power button is located right here behind the stand. So everything's set. I can notice the little glip here between the screens. I haven't been able to get them 100% aligned. Nothing that bothers me. Now I'll start things up. There's a little white diode coming there. And there's the Philips logo. And this is out of the box settings. No settings have been changed. And you can see the viewing angles are quite perfect. You can tilt the screen if you want. So that's all for this review. You've been watching this Philips screen. My first impression is that it's very good value for the money. And once again, thanks for watching this Philips unboxing and first impressions of this 226E9QDSB 22-inch monitor. Thank you.